Hey guys, welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to open a business account online with zero balance in less than 10 minutes. The sweetest part is you don't need a BVN or a business registered with CAC to get this account done or created for your business. And I'll show you how to do this very fast, easy and free within 10 minutes. Are you ready? Now let's get started. Welcome back. Kindly like this video so that YouTube can show it to more people that will need it. And please, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the bell notification, because I publish new and valuable content every Thursday, and we discuss topics related to WordPress, Facebook advertisement, Canva, whiteboard animation, and the likes. We discuss topics that will help you save time, save energy, and also save money. And not just that, also make you more money. Okay, enough. Let's get started with today's training. So guys, the very first thing you want to do is to go to your App Store or Play Store. Then search for the VPay Merchant app. Search for the app and click on Install. So you can go to your App Store or your Play Store. If you are using an Apple or an iPhone, just search for VPay Merchant. It's the same thing. So you install the app on your mobile device. This is what we'll be using to create the business account. Now, there is a password policy that the app requires you to follow. Now, the policy is this: you need to use at least 8 characters for your password, and also you need to include uppercase, lowercase. When I say uppercase and lowercase, I mean small letter and capital letters, So you need to make sure it is 8 characters, at least minimum of 8 characters. Make use of uppercase and small letter or lowercase. Also include a special character like the pound sign or the @ sign, or asterisk. Just include a special character, and also include a number in your password. So these are the 4 things you need to meet before you can successfully create a password for this app. So once you are done installing, you click on what? Open. Then you launch the application. After installing, you launch it. Then you click on skip to skip the whole thing. Then, since you are new to the app, you click on create free account. So you type in your details here. So let me type in my details. Okay. Oh, sorry. So your first name first, followed by your surname. Okay, I'll do this very fast. Password, I'll enter my password. So make sure you enter your password following the password policy that I shared with you earlier. Use a small letter, a big letter. You also make use of numbers and special character. You can see all of the details are valid, and the passwords are also what? Valid. You enter the first password and also what? Reconfirm the password. Then click on what? Register. Now, this is where you enter your business information. So because of this training, now you can actually create multiple business accounts. So let me just create Adeleke Samuel Academy. So this is just a test. Now select business industry. So you want to select the industry in which you play in. So I will select education or training. Now state. So I'll fill in my state, where your business is located. Okay. So fill in all of these details. Then click on what? Finish. And guys, you are done with opening your business account. As simple as ABC. Can you see? So once you are done with creating your account, what do? You log in to your account. So let me type in my password there that I just used in creating my account. Then click on login. So I'm logging in now. And boom, we have successfully created our account. So guys, you can skip all of this. Enter. So let me just end the tour. Okay, enter. Now this is like the dashboard, your home page. Now the thing is this: before you can transfer outside of your account, you need to set a transaction pin. But before then, let me show you your bank account details. So to get your bank account details, you will see a circle at the top left corner of your screen. Click on it. When you click on it, you will see your bank account details. So this is the account details that you share with your customers or with whoever you want to send your account to. So if you run a business, you can just send. So this, for my own for this example, my own business name is Adeleke Samuel Academy, and my business account number is 4600, as you have seen here. So guys, you can see, and the bank name. So if you want to make a transfer, because I will do a demo transfer right here. If you want to do a transfer, the name of the bank is VFD Microfinance Bank or VFD MFB. So I'll do that so you can see. But before then, let's set our transaction limit. So you click on this set transaction pin, then this enter the new transaction pin, just like the pin you will use while making transfer. So I'll set my own pin on. Okay, oh sorry, let me set my transaction pin. Then then you click on this and also confirm the transaction pin. I click on set transaction pin. Can you see pin set successfully? So you go back to your home page. Now let me show you one more thing. You can click on this settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. You'll be able to create a new account, but I'll not be doing that. Just create a new account. You don't use the phone number and the email you have used earlier. Use new ones, I guess. Then you want to click on add new merchant account. Then you can create a new account. Once you have a new account, you'll be able to switch within merchant account. So you can create multiple business accounts for different businesses that you run. Can you see? This is as simple as ABC. So guys, okay, so let me just make a transfer. You can as well use this app to pay bills, to recharge your line and all of that. Can you see? So you can also withdraw. Okay guys, so let's test the account that we just created. Let's see if we can make a transfer into the account. So what do? I will copy my bank account details and I would open my bank. So I'll use UBA to test this. So don't forget, the bank name is VFD MFB. So I'll search for VFD. Can you see MFB? So I'll paste my account details and I will click on confirm receiver. It should bring Adeleke Samuel Academy. Awesome. Can you see Adeleke Samuel Academy? I can save as beneficiary. So let me send a test amount here so we can confirm and verify. And let's see if this will work. Okay, so you can see that I just transferred money. So here is the thing guys, there is no sort of verification, no BVN, nothing. So scammers will also want to use this opportunity to scam other people. So there is a transaction limit. Can you see, guys? We have successfully transferred 2,000 naira to the account that we just created. So here is the thing, there is a transaction limit on this account, on every new account you are creating. So the thing is this: for you to upgrade your account, you need to contact. Can you see? You just received 2,000 naira payment from Adeleke Kisame. Very, very easy, seamless process. So as I was saying, the transfer limit is 50,000 naira. So if you want to upgrade your transaction limit, you need to contact them. Then they will do the KYC for you and your account will be upgraded. Very, very easy. Don't forget, the reason why you need to upgrade your account and verify your identity is to protect other people. So it is needed. So guys, let's see how much we have on our new account. Can you see? So we have what? 1,998 naira. Don't forget, we transferred 2,000 naira, so they removed just 2 naira. Can you see? VPay processing fee is what? 2 naira. So all of the details is there. Pay as low as 0.1% only. Okay, so let me try to withdraw. So I'll show you that I can also withdraw. So let me withdraw 1,000. My transaction pin that I've set. So I'm trying to send money in and also what? Send money out. So we can see that the whole process is what? Seamless and easy. Okay, it seems there is a network issue. Just give it a sec for it to load. Oh, okay, so for you to send out money, can you see? I'm also just trying and checking out the account. So for you to send out money, you need to set up your account. So can you see? Verify your account here. Click on this add bank details. So you need to set a destination in which you can send your money to. So I will add an account, which is my UBA account that is sent. So you can, if you have any other account, you can set it as your account destination. So I will set mine here. Okay. Can you see? Then you click on what? Continue. So you need to add an account. Sorry, a business. So I've added. So let me try to withdraw now. You can withdraw your money to the account. You can also send money out. Can you see? Send money. So you can just search no beneficiary, right? So you use new beneficiary. So let me send out money. So you can also set up an account in which you can have your money stored into, just like your wallet. So let me search for UBA Bank. Then the account number 2972. So you should verify and confirm my account. Then I will enter my amount, the amount I want to transfer. So I want to transfer 1,000 naira. So I want to save as what? Beneficiary. Description DSP. So I'll click on what? Continue. So let's see if this will work. So guys, if you have gotten value or if you are getting value from this video, kindly make sure you like this video so YouTube can show it to other people that would also be interested. Can you see, guys? Click on what? Continue, and you enter your transaction pin and you are done with the transaction. So it is loading. So another thing you want to know is, can you see, guys? I have successfully what? Transfer 1,000 naira to my UBA account. So go back home and we are done. So guys, this is a very, very short tutorial. Can you see? So I've received the amount. Okay, it is loading. Let's see it is loading. Can you see? I've just received an alert of the transaction. Can you see? So I withdrew what, or I transferred out 1,000 naira. So here is the thing: the transaction fee is just 20 naira. like other banks that charges you 50 naira or more than that or lesser than that, but this is very, very okay. 20 naira per transaction is such a nice step. So you don't need to worry, because there are some people that want to do business with you because you are using your personal account. But with this business account, you can easily get them to do business with you. So just click on this. You can just share these details with them. And guys, if you are creating your account, registering your new account, make sure you use my referral code that you are seeing on your screen right now. So guys, I want to believe you got value. If you do, make sure you like this video, comment on this video, share with your friends and business friends that also need it. And the most important thing is for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you never miss any of the valuable content that I publish every Thursday. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.